Oh, international mail. International mail is some of my favorite mail because it came a long way to get here. It was really important. And I do enjoy some of the PEZ stuff out of Europe, more so than here out of the States. Seemed like they had a lot cooler items. Definitely far more desirable items. You know why? Because we don't have them. The demand is high, the supply is low. Anyways, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here, taking on foreign tape. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. What? What? There's nothing in there! Wait a minute! Ah! I will get inside of here one way or another. Not acceptable. Where is it? Gotta be something inside. Yeah. Fine. All right. One made a mess here. Tuck it back in here to this envelope. Wow, that was, whew, that was a whirlwind of emotions. Wow, it was like a roller coaster. Oh, this is so cool. Very cool. Look how creepy this clown is. Hey kids, want some PEZ? Maybe a balloon? Alright, we gotta open this some more. Is there tape? Yes, there's tape! Unacceptable. That's some strong tape. Alright. I think have I? Yes. Whew. I did not beat my record time in opening a package. That's probably the longest it's ever been. Alright. So I have these little cards. Now they're perforated on the top and bottom. Do I have 3 cards? No, I only have 2 cards. So I have these 2 cards here, and as you can see, the perforations. Beat hier Affenbien? Yeah, I can't say that properly. Glux, los. Creepy clown. I can say that. Look at that. So creepy. Oh, here, let's look at this one. Okay, so these right here are extremely rare. Such a creepy clown. Hey, kid, I got some PEZ for you. Even adults! So, when the European display would run out of the dispensers, you would see this card. And apparently this card says, come back later. Or wait till next time. Or we are all out. Bean glitch, weiter die. Maybe? I don't know. But what I do know is these are really hard to find and really cool items. And they were used on displays to let you know, hey, we're out of PEZ, but there will be more PEZ soon. But until then, creepy balloon? Huh? Ooh, it says PEZ on that balloon. I want a PEZ balloon. I would really like to have this PEZ shirt, this long sleeve shirt that the clown is wearing. But I would not like to have this clown. Clown, extremely, extremely creepy. So until next time...